Hello viewers, in this video we see the overview of prokaryotic photosynthesis. There are three groups of photosynthetic bacteria, namely purple bacteria, green bacteria and cyanobacteria. The cyanobacteria differ most fundamentally from the green and purple photosynthetic bacteria in being able to carry out oxygenic photosynthesis. Similar to plants, they have photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, use water as an electron donor and generate oxygen during photosynthesis. In contrast, purple and green bacteria have only one type of reaction center and perform anoxygenic photosynthesis. In purple bacteria, the reaction center is similar to photosystem 2, and in green bacteria, it is similar to photosystem 1. However, neither of these two types of bacterial reaction center is capable of extracting electrons from water, so they do not evolve oxygen. Because they are unable to use water as an electron source, they employ reduced molecules such as hydrogen sulfide, sulfur, hydrogen, and organic matter as their electron source for the generation of NADH and NADPH. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you so much.